माय चॅनल. तुमची मराठी मुलगी इज बॅक विथ अ न्यू व्हिडिओ. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मेहंदी.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
सो बेसिकली मेहंदी फंक्शन हमारे यहाँ पे पहला फंक्शन होता है. हाथों में मेहंदी लगने के बाद लड़की को बाहर निकलना अलाउड नहीं होता है और फिर उसको हल्दी लगती है और हल्दी लगने के बाद तुरंत शादी होती है. बट नाउ डेज थोड़ा ट्रेडिशन चेंज हो गए हैं. इट्स बिकम प्रीटी मॉडर्न. संगीत भी आता है इसमें. सो वी हैव मेहंदी, हल्दी, संगीत और शादी. तो हमारे इसमें 2 शादियाँ होती है. एक तो सुबह जो वैदिक रिचुअल्स से होती है और सेकंड जो होती है जो रिसेप्शन होता है. रिसेप्शन कम वरमाला टाइप्स होता है तो वो है. तो ये सारा आपको व्लॉग्स में दिखाई देगा. मेहंदी के लिए जो सारी मेहनत है, मतलब आउटफिट से लेके हॉल से लेके डेकोरेशन से लेके हमने सबने बहुत एंजॉय किया है हर एक चीज़. स्पेशली सिद्धार्थ हैज एंजॉयड ऑल द क्लोथिंग थिंग. प्लीज टेल मी योर एक्सपीरियंस.
Yeah, it was fun. If it was, I think, 1-2 चक्कर असत्या तर ते तर एन्जॉय केलं असतं मी. बट इट टुक ऑलमोस्ट 5-10 visits for every clothing that I think almost every. So let's average 7 visits, 7 to 8 visits in what 1 month.
We went to Mumbai also for the reception outfit.
4 times we went to Mumbai, 4-5 times. So a friend suggested me, there's a place called Reach Channel. Rajat, my friend, he also had his wedding clothes from there. It turned out good.
Yeah, the clothes really turned out well. Thank you, Rajat, for that. And my clothes were designed by me and my mom. We just knew what kind of clothes we wanted to wear and the color palette and everything. So for engagement, as you've seen in the vlog, we decided for pastels. For mehendi, we wanted something very colorful, very bright and happening. So I also wanted to have बोहो थीम चाहिए था कि यार किसी एक फंक्शन में बोहो थीम तो फॉर श्योर चाहिए ही चाहिए था. सो वी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड अ लिटिल इन संगीत एंड अ लिटिल इन मेहंदी. मेहंदी वाज लिटिल कलरफुल क्योंकि थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेंट एंड वी डांस्ड अ लॉट. मेरी सोसाइटी के क्लब हाउस में हमने मेहंदी का फंक्शन किया था तो उसी गार्डन में हमने सारा डेकोरेट करके वहाँ पे सेटअप लगा के हमारा फंक्शन किया था. तो काफ़ी सारी औरतें आई थी बिल्डिंग की, सोसाइटी की. तो फिर चूड़ा भरने की रस्म भी होती है तो उसी दिन चूड़ा भरने की रस्म भी थी. एवरीवन फ्रॉम सिद्धार्थ फैमिली वाज देयर फॉर मेहंदी. सिद्धार्थ ने पण मेहंदी काढली होती, छोटीशी क्यूटशी मेहंदी. आणि वी डान्स्ड अ लॉट. तेव्हा ती फिलिंग अशी सिंक इन नव्हती ना झाली की दॅट ओ शिट वी गेटिंग मॅरीड.
झाली होती but just with the flow.
Probably we were just going with the flow. We were also happy, high. सगळ्यात जास्त हिट तुला कुठे झाली ती फिलिंग की ओ शिट वी आर गेटिंग मॅरीड?
The interview that our wedding photographer Girish interviewed us, he had some questions. That time we were talking about each other and then I think that moment we talked आणि जेव्हा आपण ते articulate करतो त्यावेळेस I think you get the feel of it and मग then it sinks in थोडा.
सो विधीच्या दिवशी सकाळी आमचा इंटरव्ह्यू घेतला होता. लाईक हाऊ इट स्टार्टेड, हाऊ इट वेंट, दॅट यू गाईज विल सी अहेड इन द वेडिंग व्लॉग. बट माझ्यासाठी इट सिंक इन वेन वी वर सिटिंग फॉर हल्दी. हळदीला आपण बसलो होतो and we just holded our hands and I was like की oh. Yeah, then held each other. Thanks teacher. held our hands आणि तुम इमोशन को देखो यार. तर we held our hands आणि that time it hit me like oh we're gonna get married, and we married for now 6 months, almost 6 months. Like this is 5th month.
It's completed our 5th month, like a couple of days back.
Yeah, but when the vlog is gonna be out, it's gonna be 6 months.
Facts are facts.
Okay, 5 months we've completed, and the other day we were just going in the car and we were like, okay, 5 months completed.
Unreal, I mean 5 months with someone I didn't know, not even a year back. It's a different feeling, and getting to know someone this close, staying together, it's fun. It's fun, definitely fun.
Yeah, we've been out, we've experienced a lot of things. Yeah, December only. So it took us time for each of us to decide. We spoke a lot on phone initially, and then when we finally decided, okay, let's go ahead with it, almost mid-December. Post we got engaged, so we are.
Then actually started hanging.
Yeah, then we actually started hanging
I
out.
think couple of times, 3 times maybe before.
Yeah. And then we started hanging out, but we were hanging out with our families for shopping mostly.
Yeah.
Because we decided the date of engagement, that was 12th Jan, and it was like immediately, and we had to shop for engagement, we had to prepare for it, and actually we started to get to know each other after getting married. So it was like actual an arranged marriage
The
thing.
process of shopping also helped, because
Yeah, it
you know
helped.
a person when you get irritated, when you shop, it's all chaotic when you're with families, and that 3 months, 4 months journey of shopping, just shopping, and not only shopping but management and getting ready and preparations, venue, all selections, just running around, it was chaotic, because 3 months is like to arrange all this. 3 months is just me and her. My family was there, but all the decisions that were going to happen, that came down to us.
We had to come midway because obviously both our choices are pretty different. They're not really same in all the things, especially when it comes to clothes. And I remember I was dressed for Mehendi and I came downstairs and he hadn't seen my Mehendi clothes at all. And I was walking down and he just reached the venue and he saw me and he was like, he did not like my Mehendi outfit at all because it was too much of colors. It was too blingy. It was everything that he won't go for. Right?
Yeah.
Right, at all. Like he wouldn't choose that outfit at all. But that is for you yourself. Like
Yeah, exactly. So it's like, yeah, you have different likings. I have different likings. That's for sure.
Yeah.
That Mehendi outfit for sure makes it like evident.
Yeah, there are choices are different. And I still remember his expression. And just before he stepped out of the car and he saw me, मी कोणाला सांगितलं मी PJ का कोणाला तरी सांगितलं की just look at his face, just look at his expressions. He's not gonna like it at all. He's not gonna like it at all. And that happened.
You're hoping that I like it.
No, I was not hoping because I knew that you won't like it. So I knew की तुला नाहीच आवडणार आहे ते. But just because for me, he would be like, oh yeah, nice, okay. She's like, you saying it's your choice as if.
It's not bad, it's not good. It's your opinion, it's your choice. I have my own choices, you have your own choice. It's not
Yeah.
bad or good.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. It's not categorized it as good or bad, it's just different.
Yeah, it's different.